Assalamu alaikum. Welcome all to Easy Humanity channel. Today's video I discuss different layer of the retina and how retina pass through the different layer of the retina and stimulate the rod and cone cell which is situated in the deeper part of the retina. This is the histological picture showing different parts of retina. This is the outer limiting membrane, nerve fiber layer, ganglionic cell layer, inner plexiform layer, inner nuclear layer, outer plexiform layer, outer nuclear layer, layer of rod and cone cell, and retinal pigment epithelium. This is the schematic diagram of the retina showing the optic nerve fiber. They are the axons of the ganglionic cell. So this is nerve fiber layer and this is ganglionic cell layer, this one, and inner plexiform layer. This is inner plexiform layer is formed by the axon of the ganglion cell and bipolar cell. Then the inner nuclear layer. Inner nuclear layer is formed by the bipolar cell, amacrine cell and horizontal cell. This is outer plexiform layer. This layer is formed by the processes of the bipolar cell, amacrine horizontal cell and amacrine cell. This is the outer nuclear layer formed by the inner segment of the rod and cone cell, the nucleated portion of the rod and cone cell. This is the layer of rod and cone cell is formed by the outer segment of the rod and cone cell, and this is pigment epithelium. So light signal is passed through first the optic nerve, then ganglionic cell layer, then inner plexiform layer, then inner nuclear layer, then outer plexiform layer, then inner segment of the rod and cone cell layer, then it stimulated outer segment of the rod and cone cell, and pigment cell is absorbed extra light. So this outer segment of the rod and cone cell is stimulated and the action potential is passed through the outer segment to the inner segment of the rod and cone cell, then the outer plexiform layer, then the outer nuclear layer, inner plexiform layer and inner nuclear layer and ganglionic cell layer and nerve fiber. Through the optic nerve fiber, it pass through the lateral geniculate body, and then from the optic tract, optic radiation and light pass in the visual cortex present in the occipital pole of the cerebrum, and the vision we can see. Then when this signal is reached the primary visual area, then we are able to visualize anything. So this is all about the light pathway through the retina and how it's ultimately reach the visual cortex. So this is all about today's video. If you find this is helpful, please share this video and please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.